are in a 50s style diner. Now our American friends will recognize this as Johnny Rockets, and they actually have a Johnny Rockets up on deck 12 of the ship. And it is the only option that's open after a show. So we just finished Invitation to Dance, and we were really hungry. So we came up here. We get a great price of Johnny Rockets. It's all you can eat for like $4.50. Pretty amazing stuff. One of the girls actually hurt her ankle. Hope you feel better, Laura. So Rachel stepped in last minute on one of the numbers. She did amazing, so she's gonna treat herself tonight. Tomorrow we are in Vigo, Spain, and that is the place that we went to that jazz band. So it is Father's Day today, so we want to wish our fathers a happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Happy Father's Day, Bernie. Thanks for everything you do for us and all your support. Wish you could be here with us. We'll send you videos. Miss you. We are in Vigo again, and we went to our favorite little cafe called Cafe Vitruvia, where we got some of our favorite cider, some coffee, and another tosta, which is a little hard bread with meat and cheese on it, so that was perfect. And then we stopped at a place called Samola and got a little treat. It is a pastry that has brie, and it has walnuts and manzanas, which is an apple. Very good. Yay, Spain! So we are back in Tosca, which is the restaurant that we went to in Lisbon last week. We loved it so much, we decided to come back here, try out a new dish. This is a scrambled egg with spicy chorizo and potato. I'm going to eat a little bit of breakfast before we may move on to our main course, which is the firefighter chorizo. So delicious. Now, last time I overate, and you think I would learn my lesson, but obviously by all the food in front of us, I have not learned my lesson. But it's so good, I just can't help it.
Hello everyone. Another beautiful day in Lisbon, and ending it with our favorite nata Portuguese pastry treat. We have just been enjoying the lovely day and wandering around and seeing some different squares here, and got some yummy chorizo from one of our favorite places, and yeah, just having a nice leisurely afternoon here in one of our favorite cities. So we are perched on the same spot that we found last time to eat our little treat, and then we're gonna head back on the ship again soon. Thanks for joining us.
We are in Gran Canaria again, which is an island on the Horn of Africa, and it belongs to Spain, so technically it's still in Europe, but not really. We're feeling a little under the weather just because we've been running around trying to get our workouts, and also our cast is sick, so that combined with like a depressed immune system makes us sick. So we decided to get some extra vitamins today by getting a fresh juice here at our favorite place here called 200-gram Burger, which has like an English name and it is a little mainstream. I think we did like a little review of it last time. It kind of reminds us of Bear Burger back in New York. So they have a pesto burger here with fresh mozzarella, and then also pesto mozzarella here.
Manzanita loca con pollo wok y quinoa.
Rachel decided to make a custom situation here.
It's got goat cheese and caramelized apples, and it's got some quinoa and some chicken and like a strawberry vinaigrette and spinach. Yeah.
So we're gonna enjoy this. Hopefully start feeling a little better. I have jazz set tomorrow. Rachel had to do 2 full shows of Once Upon a Time last night under the weather, so luckily she made it through. She's not feeling too well though, so we're probably just gonna do this, walk around a little bit, and then get back on the ship so we can rest up. Hey guys, we are in Madeira, Portugal. We didn't have a lot of time the last time we were here to explore. Still a little short for time today, but we decided that it was time to get steak on a stone, which is the local delicacy that's very popular here. So we're gonna film that when it comes out.
So we just got our steak and our stones. Now we're gonna put the steak on the stone and eat the steak. I guess that's how it works. So
the steak on the stone.
Yeah. So I guess what I'm supposed to do is, the steak is raw, so we cut a piece of the steak.
Oh, I hear sizzle.
Sizzling. I have no idea how long I'm supposed to leave it on for.
Probably flip it now, it's very thin.
Cut a very thin piece. So now I've got that there. And now...
And of course you touch your fork and your...
Well, I don't really know what I'm supposed to do then.
I don't know, maybe it has some pincers or something. I don't know. Maybe we need pincers or something. We're gonna consult with the professionals. But
we're gonna try this little, this looks like tomatoey.
yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. Ready?
Oh, that's good. It's a little spicy.
See, you're a professional.
Good. Great.
Steak on a stone, people.
Steak on a stone.
Good job, Rach.
You can count the small pieces.
Oh.
You can eat as you wish.
Should she take your plate?
Yeah. Excuse me. Can I have my plate back?
When in Portugal, we have to try the natas. This one looks a little different than the other natas that we've had.
It's a little more cooked.
Yeah, it's a little more cooked, so maybe it won't like spill all over me like the other ones. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's a little less puff pastry. Really good though. I like it. Rachel got a chocolate one, but she's not showing you.
I'm gonna save it for after my 2 shows of Greece.
But we're gonna head back on the ship now, get ready for 2 shows of Greece. See you there.
Every princess got tomorrow to the soul. The stars look like a body that's never going. But it's like the blue
It's getting hard.
You got it?
No.
This video's gonna be like Cloverfield. All thing you're like, oh, the camera just drops. Good. At least more. Next video, Everything's black and white. I'm pretty sure you can wait a couple days. Christmas? Nice. You feel that in your chest? Yes. Okay, you want that for fist. I'm actually lower that down 5 pounds. Hold that felt a lot on my shoulders. We straight up like fucking leg with the mace on the towel and shit. Push it out. Yeah. We need this one to go against this. That's actually good. Oh, good flash.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Press pause.
People are gonna start thinking you're saying press pause. There you go. Yeah, keep focusing on chest out. If you want to film me instead, you can. Dum 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 dum. See, I think that's 30, 25, 35, 40. My leg, you watch it pretty tired. I'm pretty well spent. I get batteries not back. Nice.
Press pause. But you did it.
That's why I filmed it, yeah.
I feel like it was not very rotated.
I mean, you'll see on the video, but I think it was, that's why I put it up there. I was like, oh yeah, that'd be good for them to see.
I feel like I have to keep it very close because I'm like hitting time.
Yeah, no, but as long as your wrists are going out, that's what matters. All right, here we go. Let's get at least 5. Nope, nope.